Most metal detectors for gold on the market today are overhyped toys that miss shallow nuggets. Choose wrong and you lose valuable finds and wasted time. Ever chased gear that overpromises and underdelivers while your dig site waits? Relax, this video breaks down the best options so you can lock in real gold. Today, I'm going to be going over the best metal detector for gold that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Garrett ACE 300. From the moment you lift it, the ACE 300 feels well-balanced for beginners, and digital target ID guides clear signals. Constructed with a sturdy feel, the housing combines rugged plastic and metal accents to withstand park grit and weather exposure. Compact and user-friendly in hand, its simplified layout minimizes clutter while maintaining essential controls within easy reach during searches. Iron resolution delivers sharper discrimination between ferrous trash and real targets, helping you refine searches with fewer false signals. Electronic pinpointing allows precise location in all-metal non-motion mode, reducing time wasted digging and improving target accuracy. Adjustable frequency helps minimize interference in crowded or mineral-rich environments, enabling steadier performance and steadier responses in diverse terrains. A protective search coil cover comes standard, shielding the coil from rocks and debris while prolonging life and maintaining detection sensitivity. In field tests, reliability and ease of use stood out, especially next to the Garrett ACE 400, where simplicity shines. The pros include intuitive setup, durable build, and dependable target identification. The cons include limited depth compared to higher-end detectors and a learning curve for complete beginners. At a price around $269, this model remains accessible to hobbyists while delivering reliable field performance. Customer reception shows a strong rating of 4.6 from 33 reviews, reflecting solid satisfaction. The design benefits from a waterproof coil that stays reliable during damp weather and shallow water exploration. If your gold prospecting goals include ease of use, efficiency, and a reliable starter detector, the ACE 300 makes a solid case. At number 4, we have the Dmyond Metal Detector Pinpointer. For initial impressions, this compact pinpointer combines a bar probe design with broad appeal to treasure hunters, hobbyists, and outdoor explorers. The unit weighs about 1/3 of traditional metal detectors, delivering effortless portability without sacrificing durability or grip comfort during prolonged sessions. Its ergonomic, palm-friendly shape with belt clip and sheath ensures secure carry and quick access in the field. The needle pointer is partially waterproof, allowing careful checks in shallow water while cautioning that switches and horns remain unprotected. Operation hinges on a single button activated by touch, where an LED lights and a bye-bye alarm intensifies as proximity increases. High-sensitivity scanning enables rapid coverage of large areas before using precise tips to pinpoint targets for excavation. The single-button interface keeps learning curve low, letting newcomers quickly master the device without complex menus today. Designed for adults and kids, the orange housing provides high visibility, while the rugged build withstands dusty environments and rough field use. During testing across a wide temperature spread, the LED indicator remained reliably visible, corroborating consistent sensitivity under varying outdoor conditions. Its ergonomic balance reduces wrist strain during long searches as coins, relics, and jewelry are spread across expansive search zones. Compared to the Garrett Pro Pointer, the Dmyond offers better balance, simpler operation, a more affordable price point, and wider temperature range. The pros include excellent portability, easy operation, and rugged durability, delivering a practical, user-friendly experience for both beginners and seasoned detectorists. The cons include a higher price than some budget models and limited waterproofing, which may deter users seeking full water submersion capabilities. At number 3, we have the HawkSeek Metal Detector. The unit ships with a 10-inch double-D waterproof coil that broadens detection coverage and preserves signal clarity along wet shorelines. The high-contrast color LCD powered by Polyspectra Sense delivers intuitive icons, 6 metal identifications, and a dynamic depth bar. Equipped with 5 modes including all metal and pinpoint, this detector adapts to coins, relics, and gold with precise targeting. Compared to typical entry-level detectors in its class, the HawkSeek offers more versatile modes and a clearer display for beginners. The design uses fully sealed silicone buttons and a straight shaft, improving weather resistance and grip stability by 50% during long sessions. The adjustable shaft spans roughly 21.2 inches to 51.9 inches, ensuring comfortable use for a wide range. With a quick lock system and a folding shaft, Setup takes about 30 seconds and packing becomes exceptionally portable for travel. In field tests, the coil detected targets up to 10 inches deep with noticeably faster response and improved target separation. This complete kit includes essential accessories and is ready to gift, making it a compelling option for new hobbyists. The device remains reliable across beach and gold hunting scenarios thanks to its specialized modes and adaptive discrimination. A quick lock system enables a 30-second setup, and the detector folds for compact transport after use. The pros include excellent depth, 5 modes, and waterproof coil. The cons include higher price and a steeper learning curve for new users. At number 2, we have the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker of 4. From the moment you lift it, this all-terrain detector feels rugged yet approachable, appealing to families, hobbyists, and explorers. Its straightforward analog controls and lightweight profile invite both kids and adults to start treasure hunts in parks, beaches, or backyards. The exterior feels sturdy with durable plastics and a compact, balanced silhouette that reduces fatigue during extended hunts across rough terrain. The TK4 Tracker Eye uses an 8-inch waterproof search coil that improves reach through shallow water, damp soil, and sand. The 8-inch coil enables reliable targeting on beaches, riversides, and damp ground without sacrificing stability or control. 3 smart detection modes switch between all-metal, tone discrimination, and trash filtering to help zero in on coins, jewelry, and relics. Adjustable sensitivity and intuitive controls enable reliable performance across lawns, beaches, and forest floors, tailoring responses to mineralized soils and trash density. In field tests, the TK4 Tracker Eye produced crisp, beep cues that matched buried coins and relics despite moderate trash. Setup is straightforward, maintenance minimal, and the learning curve friendly enough for a weekend treasure quest without daunting technical jargon. When compared with the Garrett ACE 2, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker, it feels easier to use and lighter, though features lag. The pros include lightweight design, waterproof coil, and beginner-friendly controls. The cons include limited depth compared to higher-end models and basic audio cues that may require careful listening. Priced at around $64, this detector offers compelling value for beginners and families seeking a reliable outdoor treasure hobby. In summary, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker Eye is an accessible, rugged option ideal for newcomers who want results without complexity. At number 1, we have the SUNPOW Professional Metal Detector. Tailored for adults, this model promises beginner-friendly setup, clear feedback, and dependable performance straight from the box with two 9-volt batteries. The rugged spiral frame with anodized finish delivers a sturdy, confident feel, ensuring longevity through field use and transport. The quick lock assembly accelerates setup and adjustments, allowing you to tailor the stance and height for comfort between different hunt scenarios. Fully adjustable from 19 to 59 inches, it accommodates varied heights while keeping balance and control during long search sessions. With upgraded sensitivity, it detects small coins and nuggets at depths 4 inches, while 5 detection modes tailor hunts to soil and targets. The 12-inch waterproof coil supports land and water hunts with IP68 rating, while the control box remains non-waterproof. In direct comparison with the Garrett ACE Pro, the SUNPOW model offers a longer height range and a more approachable price point. The pros include durable build quality, a waterproof coil, and 5 versatile operating modes that improve versatility on varied hunts. The cons include the control box not waterproof, and the large 12-inch coil potentially hindering maneuverability in tight spaces during dense terrain. In field tests across beaches, fields, and gardens, the detector reliably identifies targets and distinguishes trash with its 5-mode system. The 12-inch waterproof coil enables shore and shallow water exploration while maintaining strong target signals across varied mineral soils. At roughly $99.98, this model delivers accessible entry price while offering durable construction and helpful features. Overall, SUNPOW's professional metal detector stands out for affordability and versatility in the mid-range, making it ideal for entry-level treasure seekers. Whether you are beach combing or forest scouting, this SUNPOW detector offers value and reliable performance for everyday treasure seekers.